Freecash's current daily streak resets after day 7, and you need to earn at least $1 each day to keep the streak active. If the bonus looks stuck instead of resetting, check the streak status first before assuming your rewards are gone. Freecash? The fix depends on whether you mean the daily streak or the older daily bonus ladder. Freecash currently says the daily bonus ladder is unavailable, while the daily streak is the active daily reward system. Freecash wonder. Start by opening Freecash and going to the Rewards section. On mobile, tap Rewards on the bottom navigation bar, then select Daily Streak. On desktop, open Rewards from the left-hand sidebar and select Daily Streak. This shows your current streak status. Freecash 1. Next, check whether you completed the daily requirement. Freecash says you need to earn at least $1 in rewards each day to maintain the streak. Simply opening the app isn't enough. If you missed a day, the streak resets to day 1. Freecashed 1. If you've reached day 7, the reset is intentional. Freecash says the streak resets after the 7th day, so you can start another streak. The reward also changes throughout the week, with higher value rewards reserved for day 7. Freecashed 1. If your screen still shows the previous status after completing the requirement, refresh the Freecash app and check the daily streak section again. You can also sign out and sign back in using the same login method if your account information appears out of sync. Don't create another Freecash account just to force the bonus to reset. Your existing account contains your balance and reward history, so troubleshoot the original account first. If you're checking the daily bonus ladder specifically, there may be nothing to fix because Freecash currently lists that feature as unavailable. The daily streak is the relevant daily reward system to check instead. Freecashed 1 year. Also remember that Freecash has a separate home screen streak widget. The widget mirrors your streak and doesn't change how streaks work. If the widget displays an outdated streak, open the Freecash app to refresh the streak and then check the widget again. Freecash and streak. So the main fixes are simple. Check daily streak, confirm you earned at least $1 that day, remember that day 7 intentionally resets, and don't confuse the unavailable bonus ladder with the active streak system. Your next step is to open Rewards, select Daily Streak, and compare the status shown there with your recent activity. If this fixed the confusion, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides.